Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best collapsible snow shovel is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any vehicle owner braving winter conditions, offering a compact and portable solution to a potentially immobilizing problem. Imagine being stranded in a snowdrift, your car stuck fast, and the only way out is to dig yourself free. This humble tool, designed to fold down to a fraction of its size, can be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a serious emergency, ensuring you can maintain mobility and safety when the snow starts to pile up. Number 5. BIRDROCK Home Snow Mover or Extendable 50 Car Brush and Ice Scraper. Introducing the ultimate tool for winter car care. This extendable brush and scraper makes clearing snow and ice from your vehicle quick and easy. With its extendable design, you can effortlessly reach across any windshield or roof. Its wide brush head quickly clears large amounts of snow, giving you a clear view in no time. Don't let thick ice slow you down. The durable scraper head is designed to break through even the toughest ice, ensuring a safe and clear drive. Designed for comfort, the ergonomic foam handle provides a secure grip and reduces hand fatigue. You can clean your entire vehicle with confidence, even in freezing temperatures. This tool is built to last and easy to handle. It retracts for convenient storage and is simple to clean, ensuring it's always ready for the next snowfall. From compact cars to larger trucks, this versatile tool is your go-to solution for all your winter auto cleaning needs. Stay safe and see clearly all season long. What we like. This one extends to a great length, making it easy to clear snow from even large vehicles. It also features a wide brush head for efficient snow removal and a comfortable grip. If you have a larger vehicle like an SUV or truck, or if you simply want to clear snow quickly and comfortably, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The extension was awesome. I could stand on one side of the Jeep and clear the entire hood, roof and windshield. And not have to walk to the other side. Very durable and easy to use. High quality and very versatile with excellent reach. Good quality, easy to use and store away under a seat. Feels pretty sturdy and worked well with a decent bit of ice fall this year. Number 4. 34 Folding Emergency Snow Shovel. Stay prepared for winter with this essential tool. It's perfect for car travel, camping, or any backcountry adventure, ensuring you can navigate any snowy situation with ease. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this shovel is both lightweight and incredibly tough. It's designed to handle snow, mud, sand, or dirt, making it a reliable companion for all your outdoor activities. Featuring a clever foldable design, it stores and transports with ease. It fits perfectly in your car, ATV, or backpack, so you're always ready without taking up valuable space. This tool isn't just for snow, it handles sand, mud, and dirt effortlessly. It's your go-to for four-wheeling, camping, hiking, and any adventure that comes your way, adapting to various outdoor challenges. Weighing just 2 pounds, its portable dimensions make it incredibly easy to store and carry. It's the perfect addition to any vehicle or gear bag, ensuring you're always prepared for the unexpected. What we like. This shovel is designed to fold down compactly, making it incredibly easy to store in your car or backpack. Its lightweight aluminum construction ensures it's not a burden to carry, and it's versatile enough for snow, mud, or sand. If you're looking for a portable and multifunctional tool for emergencies or outdoor adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. This shovel is lightweight and compact, making it easy to store in the car. The collapsible design is very convenient for quick snow removal from around the tires. It's surprisingly sturdy for its size and effectively clears snow. Number 3. RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel W Pick. Introducing the RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. It's a heavy-duty carbon steel tool designed for all your outdoor adventures. We are an American-owned, family-operated business. Join the RHINO USA family and experience our top-notch, USA-based customer support. This versatile tool features a 180-degree shovel, a 90-degree pickaxe, and a 90-degree pick hoe. Tackle various tasks with just one essential item. When extended, it measures 22 inches long, but it folds down to a compact 9 by 6 inches. It weighs only 2 pounds and comes with a heavy-duty carry case for easy portability. Engineered from strong carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, it offers enhanced strength and corrosion resistance. Enjoy a sleek and durable appearance that lasts. All our products come with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility with its shovel, pickaxe, and pick hoe functions, all made from durable carbon steel. It also comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee for peace of mind. If you need a robust, multi-purpose tool for off-roading, camping, or even gardening, and value long-term durability and support, this is an excellent option. What people say. It is a good shovel for the price. This shovel is very lightweight and easy to use. It is sturdy and durable, and it folds up small for easy storage. Number 2. RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel W-Pick. Introducing the RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. It's a heavy-duty, military-style entrenching tool built for any adventure. Perfect for off-roading, camping, gardening, and more. We are an American-owned, family-operated business. Join the RHINO USA family and experience the best USA-based customer support. This versatile tool features a 180-degree shovel, a 90-degree pickaxe, and a 90-degree pick hoe. Tackle various tasks with just one compact tool. When extended, it measures 22 inches long, but it folds down to just 9 by 6 inches for easy storage. It also weighs only 2 pounds, making it effortlessly portable. Engineered from robust carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, it offers enhanced strength and corrosion resistance. Enjoy a sleek and durable appearance. All our products come with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility with its shovel, pickaxe, and pick hoe functions, all made from durable carbon steel. It also comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee for peace of mind. If you need a robust, multi-purpose tool for off-roading, camping, or even gardening, and value long-term durability and support, this is an excellent option. What people say. This shovel is lightweight and easy to assemble, making it convenient for quick use. The collapsible design allows it to fit easily in the trunk of a car, saving space. It's sturdy enough to clear snow effectively from around the tires and undercarriage of a vehicle. Number 1. Lifeline 4017 Aluminum Sport Utility Shovel. Introducing the Lifeline 4017 Aluminum Sport Utility Shovel. It's designed for versatility and convenience, making it perfect for any adventure. This shovel features a 3-piece collapsible design, making it incredibly easy to store in your car, SUV, RV, or snowmobile. It's the perfect addition to your emergency kit. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, it's built to last. Its compact size and lightweight make it ideal for camping and backpacking trips. Don't let winter storms catch you off guard. This shovel is an essential accessory for digging out your vehicle after heavy snowfall. Whether you're facing snow, camping, or engaging in other outdoor activities, this tool is a must-have. Its applications are truly endless. What we like. This shovel breaks down into 3 pieces, making it exceptionally easy to store in your car's emergency kit. It's constructed from lightweight aluminum, perfect for digging your vehicle out of snow. If you prioritize compact storage and a dedicated tool for car winter preparation, this is a smart addition to your safety gear. What people say. This shovel is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver even when dealing with heavy, wet snow. The collapsible design is a huge space saver. It fits perfectly in my car's trunk without taking up much room. Its sturdy construction held up well during a recent snowstorm, and the blade effectively cleared snow from around my tires. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.